After a busy full-day trip on Saturday, Kweku picked us up in a spacious van the next morning. In fact, they were there an hour before we left our hotel and were waiting in the courtyard. From there, we headed out to Shai Hills and had a good time rock scrambling, bird watching, and observing the animals. Kweku then accommodated us by dropping our less nimble members off in Krobo at Mr. C's bead factory while the younger members went on an hour hike in Akosombo. After some boating and dancing on the Volta River, we had a nice dinner at the Volta Hotel while having an awesome view of the Akosombo Dam. Coming home, there was a good deal of traffic and our guides used their local knowledge to choose an alternate route that got us to our hotel a lot faster. It was a long day but a memorable and fun adventure. Shai Hills rock climb was fun. Make sure you wear good shoes for that. It includes some rappelling, fine for beginners. Bead factory was interesting, asked to see the process as well as shop. The boat trip on the Volta was one of the highlights of the whole trip for me. I was in Ghana 6 days total. And to top it all off, I also learned how to eat fufu properly. This was a lovely trip. I found the bead making factory to be the highlight for me. Kweku was extremely friendly, obliging and informative, and it was very nice to spend the day with him. He picked me up from my accommodation and provided very interesting information during the drive between locations. He is certainly the best guide you can meet in Ghana. Kweku is a very dedicated person who happily imparts much of Ghanaian culture. The visit was very interesting, I recommend 200%. We greatly enjoyed the adventure. The tour guide was great. Very knowledgeable. We learned a lot about the culture and history as well as just having fun throughout the day. Beautiful scenery. Kudos to the team for making my tour a memorable and educative one. I really enjoyed the rock climbing and also watching the monkeys play. Michael was a great guide. Very knowledgeable and helpful. He was knowledgeable about the areas and sites we toured. Went above and beyond.